Hello everyone and welcome back to Math Merit. Today we are actually going to finish off with concept number 3, which is multiplying and dividing rational expressions. Now here we actually are continuing with the different ways to divide a rational expression. So what you see on the board may seem more complicated than what we're used to, but what we have to do when we see this is pretty much just write it out in a way that we can simplify it and understand it. That is how we are going to be able to get it done. So here we have 1 over x minus 2 divided by x plus 3 over x squared minus 4. Okay. That is what our problem was written on the worksheet. That's how it looks like. So now let's actually write it as something that we've seen before. So we would write it as a quotient. So like this. Okay, now this looks like something that we have worked with in the past. So let's move on from here. Alright, so we're dividing. So what we have to do now is find the reciprocal. So pretty much flip it. So we can multiply. Okay, we're up to there. Now, what we have to do is simplify it, factor it out. Okay, that's factored out, that's factored out, this is factored out. This one is not quite factored out, but off the top of my head, because I've been doing this so much, factoring, I know that it'll look like this. Okay, now if I were actually to FOIL this out, it will give me x squared minus 4. So now let's go ahead and divide out anything that we can. So there's 1 here and here. And what we're left with, we're just gonna multiply across. So 1 times x plus 2. So we're going to be left with x plus 2 as our numerator, and as our denominator, we're left with 1 times x plus 3. So that is our final answer, and this is what we're left with. So even though this seems a little complicated and something like totally out of the ordinary, it just looks that way. But knowing what we're doing really helps, and writing things out step by step. Let's go on into your assignment for today. Very well, everyone. Here is your assignment for today. Now again, look at what we start off with. I know it looks complicated. I know it looks a little scary even, but you know what to do. Just start off by writing it in a form that we understand, which is in quotient form, and follow it out step by step. Again, writing it out every single step really helps out to make sure you don't forget a step. If you have any questions on this, please don't hesitate and ask. I'm here to help. I hope you guys have a very wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to be hearing back from everyone very, very soon. Goodbye.